Hi students, now in this video we are learn about the very important chapter that is of the class 10 mathematics is a triangles. Okay, and triangles is a very important chapter related to the geometry branch. Okay, so in this chapter we are learn about some of very important concept, that is about the similarity of figures and then some basic proportionality theorem, Pythagoras theorem, like that. Okay, so this is very important chapter and the long chapter where most of time the questions are asked. Okay, 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks questions may be from this chapter. Let us see the one by one. So in this video there are two important concepts with exercise questions. One concept about congruent figures, and one is about the similar figures. So we know that in the geometry there are different types of figures are there. A triangle is there, rectangle is there, okay, a square is there, rhombus, a trapezium, so many figures are there. Okay, in that figures we again categorize some figures are similar figures and some figures are congruent figures. So what is meant by here congruent figures and similar figures we have to learn in this chapter. But about congruent figures we only learn about the definition, and in this chapter we only proceed deals with similar figures, because in the 9th standard we are deals with the congruent figures. Okay, in the 9th standard we already learn, in the 7th standard we already learn about the congruent figures and the sides of the congruent figures. How do you prove that the given figures are congruent? So many laws are used. Okay, side angle, angle criteria, side criteria, so many theorems are used to prove that the given figures are congruent. Okay, but in this chapter we are deals with the another figure, that is similar figures. But before going to similar figure directly, come to recall some congruent figures. Okay, so I can make two part here. One part is old one concept, that is congruent figures. For recall, congruent figure, and one side is a new concept to be learned in this chapter, that is what a similar figure. Okay, similar figure, very important examination. Maybe they ask about what is the difference between congruent figure and similar figures. Both are different. Okay, so let us see definition first. See here in this meaning of the congruent figures. Okay, so any figure is said to be congruent. Okay, the first point is any figure. Okay, a figure is said to be a congruent if, okay, there are two conditions are there. If the both conditions satisfied, then only the given figure is a congruent. If any one condition fail, means it is not a congruent. Okay, you must be remember that point. So first condition is same if same in shape. Same in shape must be same. And the second one is same in size. Okay, means identically matched to each other. Right, for example, I can draw here, see here, I can draw a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle ABC. Okay, and the right angle triangle, that is PQR. For not right angle, equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle ABC and equilateral triangle PQR. Let us see, both are same in size. Okay, both are looking same. I can make some biggities. Both are same in size. Okay, see here, both are same in size. First condition. Okay, see what is the condition here? Same in shape. Shape is same. Both are triangle. So okay, this is satisfied. Same in size. So size are same. So looking size same. For example, like 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. See, same in size. So such are called as congruent figure, and we write a symbol, write that for congruent triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. It is our condition. How we say that? By comparing this condition. If the shape is same, and then second condition also, what the shape is same, second condition size also same. Okay, shape same, size same, means both are identically same. Okay, so that is called as a congruent figures. But when we come across similar figures, a slight difference is there. Okay, so first definition here, then we understand about difference between similar and congruent. So a figure is said to be a similar figure. similar figure if what condition? First is same. What? Same in shape. Same in shape. Okay, but different in size. That is the change. See here, same size means it is a congruent, but when size is different it is a similar, but condition shape must be same. This is condition very important. For example, okay, you may take this confused. Take example, I draw a circle, okay, and this is a circle of radius 5 centimeter, okay, of radius 5 centimeter. Now I draw another circle whose radius is 2 centimeter, okay, whose radius is 2 centimeter. Now let us see, same in shape. Shape is same, circle, but different in size. One is 5 centimeter and one is 2 centimeter, different in size. So such figures are called as similar figures. For example, I can take I can take another. For example, it is a tire of bus, and it is a tire of cycle, okay, scooter. See, both are same, both are round, okay, but size is different. Bus tire, you observe that, okay, what it is big than that of the scooter, right? So they are small in size. Scooter is very small, but the bus is very large. So but the shape is same, both are circle shape, both are circular shape, so that is called as similar figures. For example, I see a car, okay, I see a real car on the road, and the real car, and I can real car, okay, I can take another example, real life example. See here, on the road I can see a real car, okay, real car, and I have another car which is toy car. See here, real car and toy car, it is similar or congruent? Right, it is similar. Why? The real car is very big, but the toy car is very small. But both are car and both are car, right? Both are car, but their shape is small and big. So real car is big size, it is small size. That is called similar figures. Okay, so that is called similar figures. Okay, if you go to the showroom of a car, they kept in small car models. Okay, there is a big car is there, Swift car, and then there is small car model is there. So that is small car anything, but what is a model of that big car? So small car and that big car having same shape, okay, same figure, but their shape is, that is big one, that is small one. So that is called as similar figures. Okay, so in the daily life we are deals with so many figures which are similar here, right? So this is nothing but, sometimes we observe that in the blueprint, okay, when you go to the any museum, we observe there is a small models of Taj Mahal, small models of Gol Gumbaz. What does it mean? The models are nothing but a blueprint of that real model. So that is called as a similar figures. Actually, Taj Mahal not in small like that. On tape we kept on table Taj Mahal. Okay, we kept a model of Taj Mahal on table, but it is not like that. Okay, it is just a model of Taj Mahal. So it is a same looking same. So it is a similar figure. For example, in the aquarium, in the home we can fish aquarium. It is similar to that of the ocean, but they are not ocean. Okay, so similar, but size is different. Aquarium is very table size, but the ocean is a very big size. So there is a size are different. So such is called as in similar figures. Okay, so in the daily life we observe so many figures. So one condition, the shape is same, but the size is different. Okay. So now, now let us come to the we get the differences. What is an similar figures and what is an congruent figures. Okay. So I can take, okay, one note. Okay, one note you have write down. Note is that one note point. See, all congruent figures are similar, right? Similar because their shape is same or size are same. That is no problem. Okay, they are congruent, similar. It is say that all congruent figures are similar, which is true. Okay, statement is true. Okay, for congruent we also say that it is similar. Okay, so all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are figures are not congruent. Okay, not congruent. This is very important because different shape is there. So different shape means we not call it as a congruent. In congruent, so different size, but in congruent we say that the size must also same. Shape same in both, similar to same shape, and congruent same shape, but the size is different in similar, but the size is same in congruent. So all similar figures are not congruent. Why? Because of this similar, the shape is, the size is different. So it is very important definition. See, all congruent figures are similar. Okay, we can call all congruent figures as a similar figures. We call it one. Okay, it is true statement. But and also all similar figures is not a congruent. It's not possible that all similar figures must be congruent. Okay, so that is what a very important note you have to be remember. Okay, so let us see some examples of the similar figures which are given in the NCERT. Okay, I can draw all those examples. See here, similar figure example. Okay, similar figure examples. Okay, from NCERT. From NCERT. Right. So see here, examples they given. First example they given circle. Example number circle. See here, this is one circle, and this is another circle, and this is another circle. So see here, what here they are similar because shape is same, circle, 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 but size is different. It is maybe 1 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, it is maybe 1 centimeter. Okay, it is 3 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, and it is 1 centimeter. Okay, size is different, but the shape is same, so it is similar. Second example which is given in the NCERT is about a square, like that. See here, square is given. It is one square. It is another square. Okay, it is another square. So observe, it is look like a photocopy. Okay, the photocopy is passport size photo. Okay, long size photo, A4 size photo, pocket size photo, passport size photo, stamp photo. This is also similar. Okay, the face is your, that is what a shape is same, but the size photo is one is a A4 size paper, and one is passport size paper, and one stamp size paper. Passport size used for admission, stamp is used for bus pass. So that is what their shape is small. That is called similar figures. So in the photography we observe that there is similar figures. Okay, so this is one example. Next one, see another example. Triangle is given. Okay, this is one triangle. Okay, this is another triangle, and this is another triangle. So see here, triangle, triangle, triangle. Okay, the shape is same, but the size is slightly different is there. Okay, so different in size. So that is what example for similar figures. And then okay, so these are what example for rectangle. We can say rectangle. This is, and this is, and this is. Okay, see, size is smaller, smaller, different size, but the shape is rectangle, rectangle, and rectangle. So this is what student, how do we draw a similar figures. Okay, in examination they ask write any two similar figures, so we have to write like that. Okay, draw like that means we kept in mind the shape must be same but the size are different. Okay, like that, one is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, like that. Okay, shape is same but the size is different. So this is students all about the similar figures. Okay, now another very important concept. Okay, now let us see, but this is one type of, okay, what we see here, side is same. So here how do we calculate when the figures are given? How do you calculate that one? How can you find the given figures are similar or not? So some conditions. So see, all sides are in order to say that the figures are similar, so I can see all the sides and all the angles, that take a time. So one trick is there, one short rule is there, and that rule is used to say that the given figures are similar. And what is that rule? So we can take that one. Okay, so see here, so we know that polygons, okay, all closed figures are said to be polygons. Okay, polygons means the sides. Poly means, gon means sides, polygon means many sides. So that is, if we want one closed figure, least we require 3 sides. Okay, means it is a triangle. Okay, with help of 3 sides, so 2 sides we not make any closed figure. First 3 lines minimum required to make a closed figure. So here for any polygon, okay, polygon maybe it is a triangle, maybe it is circle, maybe triangle, maybe rectangle, anything. Okay, for polygon, okay, two polygons, okay, I can take two polygons because we are comparing two polygon of the same, of the two polygon of the same number of sides, of the same number of sides. That is it means that their shape is same. Okay, both number sides are similar, okay. So these conditions we use to say that the given figures are similar. So what are those conditions? See here, one, their corresponding angles are equal. That is one condition. Okay, so two polygons said to be similar when, okay, the two polygons of the same number of sides, means same in shape. Okay, the shape must be same. For example, one polygon is three sides, means the another polygon also three sides. Okay, if the one polygon is four sides, means the other polygon also four sides. So means that the shape is same. Okay, so that is two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. What condition? Their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, their corresponding angles are equal, and their corresponding sides are in equal ratio or proportion. Equal ratio or proportion. Okay, sides are in the equal ratio or proportion. What it mean? Okay, we are totally confused here. It is easy, sir. It is to say that the same size, same difference, same shape and different size. It is easy and for understanding. But it is how it is. It is some complicated. Without example, it is difficult to be understand. What does it mean? Okay, equal angle means, okay, equal angle you know. But what is corresponding angle again? Okay, and we know about the proportion ratio. But what is corresponding side here? How to find the corresponding side? Simple one. Create example here. Take example. Okay, take an example. See here. Okay, I take example here. Okay, now two figures I take here. Okay, I can take two figures here. One figure is like that, and another figure is okay. I take two figures, and one figure is said to be A, B, C, D. Okay, and the another figure is said to be P, Q, R, S. Okay, now see here, corresponding side is nothing but the mirror image. Mirror image, you know about mirror image? That is the corresponding. See here, for me, if I take this ABCD in the mirror, what happened? This A is overlap with P, this B is overlap with Q, C overlap with R, and D overlap with S. So that is nothing but corresponding. If the A is overlap with P, so A is a corresponding angle to P, B is for Q, C for R, S for D. Okay, so these are called congruent, corresponding angles. Corresponding side nothing but this AB is corresponding to this image formation. AB corresponding to PQ, BC is QR, CD is RS, DA is SP, like that. Okay, now equal means equal in degree, and proportional we have to find here. So it is, we know about how to find, how to say the corresponding. Simple, image formation, this side this side this. Okay, image formation. Now let us see, I can write an measurements. Okay, so this measurement is 1.5 centimeter, AB is 1.5 centimeter, and then BC is 5.2 centimeter, and it is CD is 4.2 centimeter, and then it is 2.1 centimeter. Okay, see here. Now let us see here, measurement for PQ is, it is 3 centimeter, 3.0 is 3 centimeter. Okay, and then 5.0 centimeter, and then it is 4.8 centimeter, and it is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, this is the sides length. Now angle length is, see here A angle is 105, okay, and the D angle is 85, okay, and the angle C is 70, and the angle B is 100, okay. Like that, the angle P is 105 degree, and the angle Q is 100 degree, and the angle R is 70 degree, and the angle S is 85 degree. Okay, now show that given figures are similar or not. This is a question. Okay, now two polygons are given of same number of sides. See, 4 side. Now apply this condition. What? If they are similar or not? See here, if they are similar, then they must be follow these rules. If they not follow these rules, means it is not similar. If they follow both the rules, it is similar. Any one rule is not follow, means it is not similar. They must be followed both rules. If any one rule miss, it is not an similar. Okay, carefully. Now let us, I can make this remove here. So simple. Okay, I can write here C. I can remove the title. Okay. So see here, first condition, their corresponding angles are equal. See here, corresponding angle. Angle A corresponding angle PA, angle A corresponding angle P. Okay, and both are same, 105, 105. Okay, one angles. All angles must be same. If any one miss means it is not okay. Okay, all must be equal. B corresponding Q. Angle is same, yet 100 same, both are same. Okay, next C corresponding R, angle same, yes, 70 same. Then last one, D corresponding to S, so same. Okay, 85, both are same. If any one angle is not same, means it is not an follow this rule. They not follow this rule. For follow this rule, all angles must be 5 angles means 5 angles. If 4 angles means 4 angles are equal. 3 angles means 3 angles equal. If any one miss means it is not an similar. It is not follow this rule. So here observe, all the angles are same. All the corresponding angles are same. Now this is over. Now let us check this one. If this also okay means it is similar. If not okay means not a similar. Okay, next condition, corresponding. So write AB ratio. Okay, we write ratio here. So AB corresponding is PQ. Make them ratio. Okay, means AB ratio PQ. How much AB it is? AB is 1.5 and it is 3.0. Now we cancel half by 3 means it is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Right. Now let us see another BC corresponding to QR and they make ratio. Okay, BC ratio QR. Now how much BC it is? It is 2.5. Okay, it is 2.5. And what is about the corresponding QR? It is 5. So we know that 2.5 half it is. Okay, that is 5. 1 by 2. Now let us see another one. CD corresponding to RS. Okay, and the CD is 2.4. Now carefully write the measurements. RS is 4.8. Again, know that 2.4 double times of it is 148. That is 48. That is 1 by 2. Now let us see last one. If it is also okay, means we get the answer. DA corresponding to SP. Okay. Now what is DA? It is 2.1. It is 2.1. What is SP? It is 4.2. So it is nothing but what? 1 by 2. So see here, all are equal proportional. See what is sentence here. Corresponding sides are equal. So see, AB and PQ is equal to BC and QR is equal to CD and RS is equal to DA and SP is equal to are equal to 1 by 2. Means what? Same ratio. Same ratio or proportion. So then both conditions are okay. So what we say that therefore we say that therefore triangle ABC symbol is similar. Okay, I can make first sentence similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so in the similar I use the symbol that is triangle ABC. It is similar to, okay, symbol similar to triangle PQR. Very nice. This is what we have to be find. What is similarity? In examination they ask two triangles and two figures, polygons, and say that show that it is similar or not. So simply you write first condition, take the angles are equal, okay, right? And then come to the second sentence condition, same ratio. So they must be same ratio, 1/2, 1/2, or 1, 1, 1, or 2, 2, anything number, but all must be same. So all must be 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So all are equal to 1/2. So this is called an similar. So like that we have to be, see, only if observing the figure we not able to understand same in shape or size. Okay, different, it is difficult, but this is a method you have to be, I mean mathematically method you have to simply say that it is similar. But if you go to definition, same size, same shape, then here we not found the shape must be same, okay, or size must, because there is an different numbers are there, so it is difficult us to directly say that. So the good method is this definition. Okay, you have to see the angles are equal and the proportional. If such conditions are okay, means it is a similar actually. Okay, so this is one example. I can take another example. Okay, I can take another example. Take another example. Okay, I take two for polygons and check it is similar or not. Okay, so please pause the video and note down all these calculations. Okay, first draw the diagram, and then first write this one, and then second this one, and then this one, and then this final answer. Okay, so you know that first sequence, this is the first one and this is the second one, and after third one conclusion, and then come to the fourth one is the conclusion. Okay, right, pause the video and write this one. Okay, now let's come to the another example. Another two polygons of the same number of sides, and they must be check they may follow or not the rules. Angles are equal, sides are in same ratio. So I can take another example. Okay, another figure, polygon, that is here. It is square. Okay, like that is given in the NCERT. It is given. It is square, and the name of each side vertex is A, B, C, D, and it is there given. It is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, now another figure is given. That is also a same number of sides. That is 4 sides, and the naming of this is famous naming. That is PQRS, PQRS, and this is also 90 degree. Oh, the students say that right. We get the angles are same, but hold on. Now it is a time for the sides. Okay, do not judge quickly. Okay, first see the size here. It is 3 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay, and it is 3 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. It is 3.5 centimeter. It is 3.5 centimeter. Now mind is stuck. Oh my god, the sides are create a problem here. So no problem here, simple is there. So show that the given figures are similar or not. Similar or not. Show. If similar, the condition must be applied. Not similar, if any one condition, both conditions fail. So let us see the first condition for similar. What is first condition? Angles. Okay, the first condition is angles are equal. So see here, corresponding angle A equal to angle P. Okay, angle B equal to angle Q. First write corresponding angle C equal to angle C corresponding to angle R. Okay, and angle correct. Okay, angle D corresponding to angle S. See, all are 90 degree. A 90, P 90, B 90, Q 90, C 90 degree. Okay, R 90 degree and S 90 degree, D 90. So all are equal. Okay, we get all angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. First condition satisfied. Okay, what is condition? Corresponding corresponding angles are equal. Okay, no problem. Next, second condition must be okay. The proportionality, okay, ratio. See here, AB corresponding ratio QPQ is what? It is 3 and 3.5. Okay, kept addresses. Okay, so it is ratio. Next one is BC and QR. It is 3 by 3. One different, fail. Second condition, fail. And CD divided by RS. CD is 3.5. Again it is 3. Okay, different. And then DA. Okay, DA by SP. So it is 3 by 3. It is 1. See here, it is different. It is different. So all are not if these two sides are matched to each other, means these two sides are matched to each other, means these two sides not matched to each other, means what? The sides are corresponding. Okay, wait. The corresponding sides are not in the same ratio or same ratio. Therefore, one condition fail. If two conditions are okay, then only similar. If any one condition fail, it is not similar. So first condition okay, angles are equal, but second condition fail. That is, the sides are not in proportional. They are different coming. So what? See, therefore triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Simple. Oh, finish. Let us see the first example. Both are condition are okay, then only similar. In second example, triangle condition okay, angle condition okay, but the proportionality condition not okay. It is not as similar. I already say that if any one condition fail, then it is not as similar. Clear? Simple one. Now let us see another example. Okay, so please pause the video and write down this one. Okay, students, now take another example. Okay, another example. Okay, now let us see it is similar or not. Okay, from NCERT again, I take another example. Okay, example, right. Okay, right, very good. So see a figure. One figure is square. Okay, one figure is square. ABCD. A, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll. Okay, and then it is 2.1 centimeter AB, and it is 2.1 centimeter. Okay, it is 2.1 centimeter, right? Correct, because it is square. All sides are equal. Common sense it is. Okay, all sides are equal, so it is square. One proof is that it is square. Means what is about this one? Angle 90 degree. They are not given, but we understand that one. Okay, we know that about. Okay, in a rectangle and a triangle, the angles are 90 degree. If the four sides are equal, it is square, and each angle of a square is 90 degree, and total is 360. Correct? Okay. Now another figure is there. What is this figure? What is it? This figure. In the comment box, please put the name of this figure. Okay. In the comment box, put the name of this PQRS. Okay. PQRS. What is the name of this figure? Please put in the comment box. Okay. Let's see. It is not 90 degrees like that. It is less than 90 degree or more than 90 degree. Maybe, but not equal to 90 degree. Correct? It is maybe less than 90 degree or more than 90 degree, but not equal to 90 degree. So we got the answer. We got the answer. It is so show that given figure is similar or not. Okay, sir, it is not a similar. Most of students are tell why, because of the angles are gone, sir. Right? Correct. So first condition is fail. So first condition, angle A is 90 degree, but we see that corresponding P is not 10, it is less than or more than 90, so it is not equal to 90. So if we say that angle A corresponding angle P, both are not equal. Okay. B corresponding and it is Q, this also not equal. Okay, and the C corresponding to S, R, angle are not equal. And then the D is corresponding to S, yes, it is not equal. Okay, so corresponding angles are not equal or unequal. Let us see second. If one is fail, why we need to find second? But we have to see that also one. Okay, do not here only solve this and final write the answer. No, you have to be also write about the sides. Okay, now let us see the AB corresponding to PQ. Okay, write the first all things. Okay, BC corresponding to QR. Okay, and BC QR. CD RS, CD RS, SP, that is DASP, DA Superintendent of Police, SP. What is AB? AB is, oh, I can forget to write this measurements. Wait, it is 4.2. It is 4.2. It is 4.2. It is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, now let us see. It is 2.1. It is 4.2. 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 Ah, very nice. For 2.1, 2 times 1 for 4 point, correct? 21 2 times 42. Remove decimal. Imagine like that. 21 double 42. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Oh, all corresponding sides are in same ratio or proportional. But first condition is fail. But angles are not equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is not similar to what? PQR. Very nice. So see here, example number 1, sides equal, in sides angles equal, sides are proportional, similar. Example 2, angles are equal, sides are not in proportional, not similar. In example 3rd, sides are in proportional but angle is not equal, then also not similar. So one condition is clear, one concept is clear. For similarity, both the condition must be okay, both the condition must be fulfilled, both the condition must be satisfied. Okay, if any condition fail, then it is not a similar. Okay, so this is, students, very important, you have to be remember. Right, now I can take example exercise. Okay, exercise questions. Okay, right, take first exercise and then close the video, and the next video we take the next very important theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem in the next video. Okay, in this video I can close with some examples from the exercise, NCERT exercise. So see here, exercise number 1, then that Roman 1. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks using correct word using correct word given in the bracket. Okay, given in the bracket, right? Given in the brackets, given in the brackets, not brackets, right? So number 1, question number 1. So see here, all circles are dash bracket congruent or similar. Choose anyone. Okay, choose anyone. Write the answer, then I can tell you which is correct, okay, which is wrong. All squares, square nothing but all sides are equal. All squares are dash congruent or similar. Choose anyone. Okay, next, third one, all dashed triangles, all dashed triangles are similar, that is option isosceles or equilateral. Isosceles means whose sides are not equal. Equilateral means all sides, okay, all sides are equal. Okay, then two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Conditions are there. If their corresponding angles are dash, that is angles are dash, and B, their corresponding sides are dash, that is equal or proportional. Okay, see, 4 fill in the blanks. Now first pause the video and try yourself. Okay, write the pencil answers. Okay, hope you are right all the solutions. Now check it. All the circles are congruent or similar. What is the answer? See here, the tire of cycle and the tire of bus different, same shape is same, but the size is different. So means that it's not possible that in nature all are congruent. So similar is correct. Actually similar. Okay, sun also round, moon also round, but what is, both are same but size is different. So that is that they are similar, but it's not possible that all the nature figures are congruent. It's not possible, but it is possible that they are similar. Okay, similar is answer. If you write similar means very good. Let us see second one. All squares are same, similar. Okay, similar. Who write the similar? Very good. All dash triangles are similar, right? That is congruent because all sides are equal. Sorry, that is equivalent equilateral triangle. Okay, now it is very simple. Okay, the definition of polygons which we are used to solve the problems. Okay, one condition, their corresponding angles is what? Okay, correct one, equal. Who said that one? Very good. Then it is corresponding sides are what? Proportional or ratio? So proportional given, right? Proportional. In proportional or also ratio, same ratio. Okay, or also we can say it as a same ratio. Any they give, you write that much only. Simple. It is multiple choice questions. These are multiple choice questions in the examination. Maybe they ask. Okay, all similar figures are option A, C different, option D congruent, option D, okay, wala. So we are right, similar. Okay, so that is very important. And then again example 2. Okay, example 2. Please pause the video and write down this one. Okay, now let us see that is exercise question 2. Okay, the question is give different give two different here. Give two different examples of pair of, okay, one is example for similar figure, okay, similar figure, and second it is a non-similar figure. Okay, this is simple. I already give you about that one, so it is homework for you, it is work for you. I not solve this one, it is homework for you. Okay, please solve this one. Okay, another one is there. Okay, another question number 3, because it is very easy, so I can give to yourself to apply this definition and write this one. Okay, that is very important. I not give the answer here. So next one is a state whether the given or following quadrilateral are similar or not. Okay, the diagram is like that. PQ RS, okay, and R is 1.5. Okay, and then here another figure is there. AB CD, it is 90 degree. Okay, and it is all are equal, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. See here, very important. Pause the video and solve this one. Okay, pause the video and solve this one. Okay, I hope you solve the answer, you get the answer, it is similar or not. So see here, sides are first angles. So see here, this is 90 degree, but it is not a 90 degree, less than 90 degree. It is bent towards like that. Okay, so it is not shown 90 degree. So what here? Angles are not equal. So directly I say that angle A is not equal to angle P. Angle B is not equal to PQ. Angle C is not equal to PQR. And the angle D is not equal to S. Okay, so next condition. Okay, they are proportional. Okay, they are proportional. See, AB is proportional to PQ. That is what? AB 3 divided by 1.5. So what is it? Okay, first I can take this one. Okay, no problem. 2. Okay, if you take PQ by AB, you get 1 by 2. Both are same. Okay, you take AB by PQ or PQ by AB. There is no problem. If you take PQ by AB, 1 by 2, 1 by all is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If you take first AB, this means if you do it 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, both are same. Okay, BC by QR. Again, BC is 3, 1.5, it is 2 centimeter. That 2 by 1, 2 by 1. Okay, it is CD. And then it is RS, and how much it is? 3 by 1.2, it is 2 centimeter. Okay, next second one is DA, and then it is SP. How much it is? 3 by 1.5, it is what? 2. Okay, so see that all are same. Okay, but the angles is not equal, but angles, corresponding angles are not equal. So triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR, or PQR is not similar to triangle ABC, anything. Okay, so this is what about the first exercise question. So clear concept. So first practice the meaning of congruent figures and non-similar figures with the examples, and then come to the polygon. Okay, polygon, two polygons said to be similar of this if they have same number of sides. First condition is the angles must be equal, and their sides must be, their corresponding angle must be equal, and their corresponding sides are in proportion, like that. So we are solve the example. So this type of in ask examination means you can easily solve. First write triangle and first write angle, and then take proportional. If both are okay, then we say that similar. If any one condition fail, we say that it is not a similar. Hope you understand. this first lecture of the triangle. Okay, in the next class we take about the theorem of proportionality, basic proportionality theorem, proof, or that is Thales theorem, and that is very important for the 4 marks or 5 marks in examination. Okay, so in the next video we take that one. So for this video it is enough. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video and like the video to your share this video to your friends, okay, and your family members, okay, and then like the video and subscribe the channel and click a notification bell icon to get a notification of my videos. When I uploaded, you get a notification. Okay, again I say thank you so much for watching this video.